Here we are sharing a meal like we are used to doing so very often in our daily lives. But what we might not always realize is that along with our own efforts at preparing the various foods, other living entities play hugely important roles in making the foods we serve not only edible, but nutritious and simply delicious. These living entities we do not normally perceive as being alive. These are the microbes that over millennia have transformed many ingredients, turning them into such delightful food and drink as bread, cheese, beer and wine, and many, many others.
So for thousands and thousands of years, humans have been taking advantage of microbial growth to ferment and preserve their foods.
But it is not all just about food preservation. Fermented foods are safe to eat, but they can also provide entirely new textures and flavors, making them thoroughly enjoyable to consume. So welcome to the marvelous world of microbial foods.